The best natural alternatives to sugar. If we are looking for a sugar alternative, there is a difference between a sugar alternative and a sugar substitute. A sugar alternative is a natural product, while a sugar substitute is a food additive, usually a zero-calorie or low-calorie artificial sweetener. So to focus on the natural, we will take a look at some alternatives to sugar. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips. Number 1. Raw honey. Raw honey is a superfood full of antioxidants and is a natural sweetener. It is called raw honey as it is unprocessed, and if you live in the country, you would be able to get it from your own beehive. Using local honey is said to provide protection against certain allergens if you consume honey grown in your local area. Number 2. Coconut palm sugar. Produced from the sap of the flower bud stem of the coconut palm, and is a natural sugar that is very similar to table sugar. Number 3. Coconut nectar. Coconut nectar is a sweetener that can be used instead of sugar. It is made from the nectar of the coconut blossom and is a totally organic syrup. It is a delicious form of sugar, and probably high in calories. Number 4. Date sugar. Date sugar is sold in natural food stores. It is made from dried dates and tastes naturally sweet, and good for cooking, used to add flavor. Date sugar is a low glycemic food that doesn't cause blood pressure to spike as much as most sugars do. So if you're having trouble regulating blood sugar levels, it may be a good alternative for you. It does not dissolve well in tea and coffee. Number 5. Stevia. Stevia is a plant containing virtually no calories, and it is extremely sweet. The most natural way to have it is to grow it at home and use the leaves to sweeten your food and drinks. A recent study of obese people showed that stevia lowers both insulin and glucose levels when they were placed on a low-calorie diet containing stevia. It is considered safe to be given to people with diabetes. Number 6. Yacon Syrup. Another versatile low-calorie, low-GI sweetener containing prebiotic properties. It is refined from the plant roots of the Andean daisy, a bit like a sunflower. When the juice is extracted, it is naturally sweet, low GI, and has a type of dietary fiber that acts as a prebiotic. The fiber is not digestible by humans, rendering the calorie value low. It aids digestion and boosts immunity by aiding the elimination of toxins from the body. Number 7. Maple syrup. Maple syrup comes from the sap of the sugar maple. It can be used as a substitute for sugar, but use in moderation. It has been consumed by people in North America for centuries. Number 8. Agave Nectar. Agave syrup is produced from the agave cactus. Blue agave, the one that tequila comes from, contains 56% fructose as sugar, making it a good sweetening alternative to sugar. The fluid is extracted from the plant and is used to make the sweet nectar. Agave nectar is not usually recommended for diabetics. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below, and let us know what you think. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss out on our new videos. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.